Hey there! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the real estate market and make smart property decisions? Let's dive right in. First off, understanding the housing market is crucial. It's like the stock market, but with more bricks and mortar. There are several key factors that affect home prices. Let's break them down. Number one, interest rates. When rates are low, borrowing becomes cheaper, leading to an increase in demand for homes. But when rates rise, the demand can drop, and so do prices. Keep an eye on the Reserve Bank of India and their rate hikes or cuts. Next, the economy. A strong economy means higher employment and wages, boosting people's ability to buy homes. Conversely, a weak economy can lead to lower demand and falling prices. Watch for economic indicators like GDP growth, unemployment rates, and consumer confidence. Then there's supply and demand. A limited supply of homes can drive prices up, while an oversupply can push them down. Check local housing inventory and new construction rates to gauge this balance. Now let's talk about buying a home. Tip number one: location, location, location. It's not just a cliche. Proximity to amenities, quality of schools, and neighborhood safety can significantly impact property values. Do your homework on the area before making a decision. Tip 2: due diligence is your best friend. Get a home inspection, review the property's history, and understand zoning laws. This can save you from nasty surprises down the road. And if you're selling, here's some advice. First, price it right. Overpricing can scare buyers away, while underpricing means leaving money on the table. Research comparable sales in your area to set a competitive price. Second, stage your home. A well-presented home appeals more to buyers. Declutter, clean, and maybe even throw on a fresh coat of paint. Small investments can lead to bigger returns. Finally, understand the market conditions. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Timing your sale correctly can make a huge difference. Alright, let's wrap it up. Real estate is all about making informed decisions. Understand the market, do your due diligence, and remember the importance of location. With these tips, you're well on your way to buying and selling like a pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Happy investing!